So today we are going to start with new chapter from NCERT book, chapter number 4, that is parts and wholes. In this chapter we'll be learning about fraction. We all are eating apple. We all say an apple keeps a doctor away. So here is one apple. If I share this apple with one of you, so this would be divided into two equal halves. We will be writing this as 1 upon 2, or we can say 1 half or adha.
What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole or part of a group. The numbers in the form a upon b are called fractions. For example, here one whole watermelon is shown, as you can see. One watermelon is divided into two equal parts. So each part is 1 half. It means एक तरबूज है, उसे आपने दो पार्ट्स में इक्वल डिवाइड किया तो हम उसे बोलेंगे आधा और 1 हाफ. सिमिलरली जब एक तरबूज को हम 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे, इट विल बी रिटन एज 1/4, 1 upon 4. Now, some real life examples are the most common examples of fractions from real life are equal slices of pizza, fruit, cake, a bar of chocolate, etc. Now, some non-examples. When the parts of the whole are unevenly divided, they don't form fractions. As you can see here, they do not form a fraction. Next topic, fraction notation. As you can see, a fraction has two parts. The number on the top of the line is called the numerator. It tells how many equal parts of the whole or collection are taken. The number below the line is called the denominator. It shows the total number of equal parts in which the whole is divided. So example, so denominator is the total number of equal parts in which the whole is divided into. So here the denominator is 8 and numerator is the number of equal part which have been taken out or which have been left out, like I said before. So here the numerator is 1 which has been taken out, or we can say the numerator is 7 which have been left out. The numbers in the form a upon b are fractions where b cannot be 0. But why it will not be 0? Because if it is 0, then the fraction will not be defined, as we cannot divide anything by 0. Means हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. ये मैथ्स का एक बेसिक रूल है. Example 10 upon 0. So here the answer would be infinite. It is not defined. So this is one of the golden rules of mathematics. Now let's do some question. Identify the fraction represented by the colored parts. A part, the total parts are 4 and the shaded part are 3. So shaded part always comes up, write 3 and total parts are 4. 3 upon 4. Now B part, total parts are 8, write it in denominator. Then shaded part are 5. Write here 5 upon 8. Now C part, total parts are 2 and one part is shaded. So the answer is 1 upon 2. Now D part, total parts are 4 and 2 parts are shaded. So the answer is 2 upon 4. And reduce into lowest form, write 1 upon 2. Then E part, total parts are 6 and 3 parts are shaded. So the answer is 3 upon 6. So cut into lowest form, the answer is 1 upon 2. So students, here are 3 questions more. So please practice, pause the video and practice yourself. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So chapter number 4, fractions, introduction is completed. So now we'll continue in our next class. Take care. Bye-bye. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.